In this video, I'll show you guys the easiest way to draft a half circle skirt pattern and simple calculations that you'll need. Without further ado, let's get into the drafting. So for a half circle skirt, you only need one measurement, which is the waist circumference. So after getting your waist circumference measurement by placing the measuring tape around your waist, you're going to divide it by 3.14. So this is a standard measurement for pie. Let's assume your waist circumference is, say, 20. You divide 20 by 3.14, then that will be the radius that we're going to be working with to make the skirt. So after doing the calculations, 20 divided by 3.14 is going to be 6.3 inches. So the radius for your waist is going to be 6.3. So I'm going to get another pattern drafting paper that I'm going to fold at the center and start drafting the half circle. So for a half circle, you have to fold only once, whether it's on the pattern drafting paper or on the actual fabric. You just make one fold like I have done. Then remember, we calculated our radius as 6.1. You're going to get the measuring tape and mark that radius that was calculated right on this paper. So I'm just going to get my measuring tape, and from this part, on the folded part, I'm going to start marking the radius that we calculated, and I'll be rotating the measuring tape like I am doing. Then after marking my waist radius, I'm now going to determine the full length of the skirt. So from the waist, you determine how long you want your skirt to be. So from the waist, you're going to start marking your desired full length for the skirt. So if you want a longer skirt, you have to use a bigger fabric. This is just for pattern drafting demonstration, and I'm using my small paper. So just going to mark and keep rotating the measuring tape like I am doing. Then after cutting out the paper or the skirt, you're going to have your beautiful half circle skirt. So let's just cut it out and then turn it so that you guys can see how it looks as a half circle. So there we have our half circle. Before turning, it is like a quarter, but now it's a half circle. As you can see, it looks like a semi half circle. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.